Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the S&P 500 futures chart. Now, as you can see, today's trading session, which is Monday, the first trading session of the week, and we haven't really done much. We were briefly trading higher, but in the past hour or so, we have turned around and we currently find ourselves trading down at 3,926. So in the red ever so slightly, which is absolutely fine due to the fact it looks like we are just digesting the gains from last week. Last week we had a fantastic rally all the way down from 3,800 all the way up to 3,930. So we had pretty much a 130-point rally towards the upside. So it's perfectly normal to see us trading flat here. It may be that we grind down back towards 3,900. We then find some buyers, and then we go back up towards 3,950, and then eventually 4,000. I think right now we're just waiting for a catalyst to push us back up towards brand new all-time highs, which of course would be roughly that 4,000 area, and that catalyst is the 10-year yields starting to stabilize and then seeing some money flow back into the tech names. Okay, there's currently $3 trillion sitting on the sidelines. That's not just the retail traders, but that's the banks, that's the hedge funds. There is a lot of money currently sitting on the sidelines, and we've seen some fantastic dips and value opportunities in the tech market. So for the likes of Apple, for example, it's currently 17 to 20% off its all-time high. Many investors will see that as a fantastic buying opportunity, and I think now that the Nasdaq 100 has started to stabilize, that will help investors have more confidence when it comes to investing in money. So over the next week or so, do look to the big tech names, the likes of Apple, the likes of Amazon, Google, Facebook, Nvidia, Amazon, you name it. I do anticipate some buying of the tech names, and Apple, for example, is the heaviest weighted stock in the S&P 500, so it represents the S&P 500 hugely. And if we were to see Apple jump 5 to 10%, which is easily possible over the next week or so, you could see the S&P 500 trading at or above 4,000. So I think that's the next catalyst for the S&P 500 to go higher here. We're just waiting for money to return back into the big tech names. So I am a short-term buyer, medium-term buyer, longer-term buyer. Indices are a product. They're designed to go higher, and that's exactly what they've been doing for the past couple of decades. No interest in selling. I do not trade US indices. It's as simple as that. 4,000 is the new price target going in towards the end of the week, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to go and raise that bar now up towards 4,000. There we go. That's what I'm targeting for the end of the week and going into next week.